Okay, going to do a quick review on Lot Marcum Original Chicken Coating. This is Lot's version of Shake and Bake, is what it is. You can get it one of those stores. They got 100%. They have 100% guarantee on all of the products. If you're not happy, you can always take it back and get your money refunded. We do a lot of shopping at Lot. There's one pretty close. One of their stores is pretty close. One of the stores is pretty close to the house. You get 2 packages and 2 shaker bags. In each box, I think it's a box where it's about $1.50, $2 somewhere in there. I can't remember exactly. We use it on both chicken and pork chops. And it's pretty good. It's pretty good for pork chops too. That's what I used it tonight with was pork chops. You just put the coating in a bag and throw your chicken or pork chops in the bag, shake it up, coat them, add some seasoning, and pop them in the oven, cook them usually between half hour, 45 minutes to whenever they get done. I mean, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. We've gotten used this stuff. I don't know how many times we've cooked chicken and bacon, chicken and pork chops with this. Good taste. Only thing, make sure you gotta add some seasoning to it. If I add some seasoning, it's gonna be it's gonna be some on the bland side. You can they got some recipes there on the side. Serving size 1/8 package coats 1 to 2 pieces. That ain't right. I cooked chicken up and 8 pork chops earlier, and I had leftovers with it. Okay. Calories 170 milligrams sodium, 5 total carbohydrates, 1 protein gram. It's pretty good. Like I said, we use it all the time here. Chicken and pork chops both. It's easy. All you gotta do is put the put 1 packet in a bag and shake your chicken or pork chops up and put them in the oven. Just make sure you add some seasoning to it. This is Lot's Original Chicken Coating. You can find it. You can find it at Lot, wherever nearest to you.